In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDFs to Google Gemini. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your Gemini account, find the upload control, and attach a PDF so Gemini can reference it in your conversation. First, open your Gemini account. The easiest way is to go to the Gemini website in your browser and sign in with your Google account if you're prompted. A desktop browser gives you the most consistent layout, but this also works on mobile. Once you're in, you'll see the chat area with a message box at the bottom of the screen. Next, look for the plus icon near the message box. Depending on your device, this might look like a plus sign, a paperclip, or a small icon labeled Upload Files or Add. It's usually to the left or right of where you type your message. Click that icon to open the file options. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling slightly, widening your browser window, or refreshing the page. Also make sure any content blockers aren't hiding interface elements. Now click Upload Files. Your device's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved. Common places are Desktop, Downloads, or Documents. If your file names are long, hover or tap to confirm you're choosing the correct one. Select the PDF, then click Open or Choose to start the upload. If your PDF is in cloud storage, you can download it locally first or use your system's picker to access it directly from your cloud drive. Give the upload a moment to complete. You'll typically see a small preview or the file name attached below the message box. If you accidentally picked the wrong file, remove it and select the correct one before continuing. For smoother uploads, keep your internet connection stable and avoid very large files. If the PDF is huge, consider compressing it or splitting it into smaller parts. Make sure the file is actually a PDF. If it's another format, export or print it to PDF first so Gemini can handle it consistently. Once the attachment appears, you're set. The file is now available for Gemini to reference in the current chat. At this point, you can proceed with your conversation, knowing the PDF is attached and ready. If you encounter an error, retry the upload, refresh the page, or sign out and back in. And as a best practice, avoid uploading documents with sensitive personal or confidential information unless you're certain it's appropriate to do so. That's it. Open your Gemini account, click the plus icon, choose Upload Files, select your PDF and let it attach. You're ready to work with your document in Gemini.